Aloha, you're watching F5 Web Media On Demand. I'm Peter Silva, Technical Marketing Manager with F5. We're here at the 20th anniversary of the RSA conference in San Francisco doing our Partner Spotlight Week. And like last year, we always have to come by and visit OPSWAT. We have Benny Czarny, who's CEO of OPSWAT. Thanks for joining us, Benny. Always a pleasure to see you.
Thanks for having me.
So can you tell our audience a little bit about OPSWAT?
Sure. So OPSWAT manufactures a toolkit. It's an SDK that manages thousands of security applications. We've been partnering with F5 since 2004 on implementing a host checker, which powers thousands of Firepress devices around the world.
Yeah, and also the Big IP Access Policy Manager on LTM, for LTM, and the Big IP Edge Gateway. We've been using you guys exclusively for host checks.
And we're excited about this property. And also, in addition to that, we have multi-scanning technology. We have an engine, which is a framework to scan content using many antivirus engines and really fast.
Cool. And you have a demo to show us, the new technology, right?
Yeah, so actually Steven Ginn, OPSWAT Vice President of Engineering, is going to demonstrate two technologies, or two products around this technology. One of them is Meta Defender Threat Analyzer, which scans content using 31 antivirus engine. And the second one is called Meta Defender for Media, which check USBs and other peripheral media for malware using 8 antivirus engines.
That one's good. That one's the cool one. I really like that one. So let's come on over here first. So Steve, you're the Vice President of Engineering?
That's right, I am.
Great. Thanks for showing us this today. So tell us a little bit about Meta Defender.
So Meta Defender Threat Analyzer, it's an appliance with up to 31 engines integrated. It exposes a web interface so that you can have all of your content uploaded to the web portal and scan with all the engines. And it'll give you consolidated results showing you what's going on. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up a binary here.
And so one of the things we were talking about before the demo was, how could it apply to F5 customers? And one of the things we were talking about, right, was just simple web applications. Any web application that accepts user-generated content, this would be perfect for that.
Yeah, so behind the Meta Defender Threat Analyzer is a product we call Metascan. Metascan is basically a toolkit that you can use to put on your web application. So when you build your web app and upload content, you can have it scanned with Metascan and only approve the content for the web if it comes back clean.
Nice.
So I'm going to go ahead and demo this here. I'm going to go ahead and scan a malware sample. Go ahead and scan it here. So in the background, came up really, really fast because the solution has a caching mechanism. So we've actually scanned this before. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and kick off a rescan. And what you're going to watch here is all of the engines are going to come back at their own pace because every engine performs a little bit differently, and show you their detection and their ability to find this malware.
Oh, interesting.
Okay.
Now this could also just be integrated into the web application, so it would look
so the
branded to whoever the customer is.
Exactly. So this is our UI over the Meta Defender Threat Analyzer. Use Metascan and it can pull, and you can build your own UI over the top of it. So that's Meta Defender Threat Analyzer.
Wow, that's really cool.
So it's all one appliance. Just drop it in the network and go, and it has this web UI over the top.
Nice. So there's something else you wanted to show us,
now there's one more product. This is the fun one. So we're going to come on over here.
Now we've seen kiosks like this in various trade shows over the years, right?
So imagine you've got your enterprise. You've got this at your front entry or exit, right? And as an employee, I come in and I want to bring some of my own data on a USB or a CD. Maybe it's a consultant, maybe it's a contractor or an employee, right? You don't know what that data is. So one way to protect the enterprise is to take a USB stick. This one I believe is the clean one. We'll go ahead and plug it in here. And within a few seconds, it's going to load the media. And it'll take just a second here. And I can go ahead and have it scan all the content or just a subset of the content.
Gotcha.
I'm going to have it scan the whole drive. Okay. Wow, okay. So this is the infected one. I didn't know it was infected, but there it is.
Well, that's what usually happens, right? With people carrying around these things, they might not think or feel that it's infected.
Sure.
They come to a trade show, they plug it in maybe into a kiosk, it then gets infected.
Right.
They take it back to the corporate office, plug it into their computer in the office, and there you go.
Exactly. So not only can it find malware on what was actually detected and what wasn't saved, but it can also detect hidden files. So one of the common things that people will do, on a web server or your Outlook, you won't let any executables into the network. So common trick, people are smart, they'll rename the file to maybe a PDF, right? .PDF. So this PDF was actually an executable, and the system was able to find it and flag it. Hey, you know what? Somebody's trying to hide some data here.
Right.
Using this kiosk, you can actually integrate it in your network so that anything that comes up clean, you can actually propagate to, say, a file server. So then you can deactivate the ability to plug in a USB or CD to the physical desktops in your enterprise. And the only way to get information in is by going through a kiosk like this.
Wow. That's really cool stuff. So a couple new technologies from OPSWAT. So how can people find you guys online?
They can find us at OPSWAT.com.
And follow you guys on Twitter?
At OPSWAT.
And then what's your booth number if they want to come by and visit you here at RSA?
We're here at booth 356 all week.
Great. Thanks, Steve. And so for Benny and Steve, I'm Peter, our great camera guy, Jonathan. F5 Networks broadcasting from the RSA conference in San Francisco. Thanks for watching.